In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispute a transaction on the Truist app for 2025. Navigating the world of online banking can sometimes seem intimidating, especially when it comes to handling disputes. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you feel confident and empowered to resolve any issues that crop up with your transactions. Let's get started by opening the Truist website. Use your preferred web browser to search for Truist Bank. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site layout. This will make things much smoother. Now, without skipping a beat, click on the contact link. This is typically located in the main navigation bar or footer, making it easy to find. Once you arrive on the contact page, you'll notice a range of options available to reach out to Truist support. This is where you can see the different contact methods neatly listed for you. If you need immediate assistance, the contact number should be readily visible. And if you prefer talking over the phone, this is the perfect opportunity to note down the number for domestic calls. It's always handy to have this information saved in your phone or written down somewhere safe. For your convenience, it's good to remember that customer service is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On Saturdays, their support hours are a bit shorter, running from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, and Sundays offer 24-hour automated assistance if you encounter an issue outside regular hours. In addition to online support, Truist also offers the option to stop by in person. If visiting a branch is more your style, you can easily make an appointment online or consult an advisor directly. This personal touch might be just what you need if you're not getting the answers you're seeking online. Now let's talk about what details you'll need for disputing a transaction. Be sure to have all relevant information handy about the transaction in question, such as the date and amount, and any additional details that might assist in processing your dispute efficiently. Finally, when consulting with a Truist advisor, either over the phone or in person, be clear and concise about your transaction details and the nature of your dispute. Trust the process, and know that the team at Truist is there to help you resolve any problems you may face. By following these steps and staying organized, you can tackle any transaction issues without stress. Thank you for joining me today in this video on how to dispute a transaction on the Truist app. Remember, being informed is the first step to effectively managing your banking experience. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and insights.